Welcome to another series of What If, and this is our episode number 2. Imagine you cannot die. You live long enough to watch the cosmos fade. At first, it is not bad. The sun swells into a red giant in about 5 billion years. Oceans boil, rocks glow, Earth is gone. You flee to outer worlds or to a ship. You survive. But the bill starts now. Night skies grow thin. New stars stop forming when gas runs out, likely within 100 trillion years. The fire that once filled the void is over. Only red dwarfs glow on. They fade to black dwarfs, cold husks that give no light. Planets freeze. Food is made from stored heat, or from slow fusion in reactors. Every day is work to get one more day. Gravity still acts. Galaxies drift apart as space itself expands. Distant light slides out of view. No map helps. You cannot send a message far because the gap widens faster than your signal can cross. You become cut off in a small island of stars. And even those stars die. It is quiet. It is dark. It is boring in a way no one on Earth has ever known. Now the long wait begins. White dwarfs cool. Neutron stars spin down. Black holes rule. If protons decay, even the atoms in your ship will not last. If protons do not decay, you face another fate. Slow tear by stray hits of radiation over ages so long you cannot count them. Either way, entropy wins. Order leaks into heat that no one can use. You might try to live near a black hole, tapping the faint trickle of energy from its glow. It works for a while, but even the biggest holes fade, releasing their mass as a cold wind of light. In the far, far future, the lost hole pops, and the universe is left as thin light spread across endless dark. No stars, no heat to use, no fresh stuff to build with, only the memory of what once was. Some theories say the end could be worse. If dark energy grows, a big rip pulls every bound thing apart. First clusters, then galaxies, then stars, then planets, then molecules, then the very atoms in your body. If gravity wins and turns things around, a big crunch would bake the sky and crush all space into fire. If vacuum decay is real, a bubble could sweep across at light speed and rewrite physics in a blink. You would not even see it coming. And you, the last watcher, would try every trick. Hibernate, seed probes, write messages in long-lived crystals, park near dwarf stars, bury clocks in ice. Time would still win. Memory would still fade into background noise. However it ends, living through it would not feel epic. It would feel empty, cold, silent. Long past the last story, you would beg for credits to roll. Wait for the next episode and like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode.